Hi, my name is Vanessa Morales. I am participating in the ADM program at the Potomac Campus of the Galen College of Nursing. I would say that I feel more prepared because of the hands-on experience at the other HCA facilities that we've gone to for clinical, as well as, our opportunities to really discuss things from a theory perspective. I actually love working and learning with my fellow classmates here. That part's been really fun, and just to see different personalities. The patient simulated labs are actually pretty awesome because it really does feel like you're birthing a child or helping to bring a child into the world, or it's just an opportunity for us to work in a safer environment, so we know what to do and not hurt people out there.